First inner loop for spaces. The first inner loop for int j equals 1. J is responsible for adding spaces at the beginning of each row. Initially, when I is 1 first row, it prints 4 spaces. On the second row, I equals 2, it prints 3 spaces, and so on. This creates the alignment for the pyramid shape. Second, inner loop left stars. The second inner loop for int j equals 1, j less than equals I, j adds stars asterisk for the left half of the pyramid. For row 1, I equals 1, it prints 1 star. For row 2, I equals 2, it prints 2 stars, and so on. The third inner loop for int j equals 2, j less than equals I. J adds stars for the right half of the pyramid, starting from 2 stars onward. For row 1, it doesn't print any stars because the loop starts at 2. For row 2, it adds 1 additional star. For row 3, it adds 2 additional stars, and so on. After all 3 loops complete for a single row, the program moves to the next line using count less than in del. End of row.